'cause it's finally here, December 1, Advent. If you're like me, you couldn't wait for this day to come. I want you, before we start, I want you to check out about a premiere that's coming up and a whole like season's greetings, holiday, round robin type thing from tons, like over 40 diamond painters that are going to be premiering every hour from midnight on Christmas Eve morning all the way through to midnight at the end of Boxing Day on the 26th. Every hour on the hour. If you're going to be lonely over the holidays or just want some relaxed time over those 3 days, join us on the premiere list and join us for an hour. The author of that particular hour is going to be online to chat with you while their premiere is premiering. So I'm hoping you can join us for those. This is part of my Advent celebration every year. This year I have 5 Advent kits. Maybe you were around when I unwrapped the first one of the first 3 kits and then the first one of the last 2 kits. And maybe you were around to see the first one, maybe you weren't. Maybe this is your first chance at seeing Advent calendars. 3 are diamond painting calendars. 1 is a crafty art one and 1 is a paper crafting one. So I can't wait to show you the goodies. All right, day 1, divas, let's open day 1. I will be with you every day in December opening up the packages. So are we ready? Okay, let's open the Arteza first, shall we? Let's see, I'm going to take Arteza out of its box, out of its big old box, and you'll see it like this from now on, because we don't need extra boxes, do we? I already untied her. It says here in fine print, I already untied her. All right, day 1 was right in the center. And we opened it and it is white polymer clay. A big brick of white polymer clay. Great to make those all kinds of holiday animals and ornaments and things like that. So white is a great thing to have. So we have white opened. I know I'm going to be using that. At least with the grandkids, because they like to play in the clay sometimes. Let's see, I'm going to tie this one back up. Next is paper crafting. Now this is Daphne's Diary Advent Calendar. It is made of paper, and let me show you again. We're taking it out of the box. That's the back. I'm going to keep the box and the wrapping because you can reuse it. Because when you open the doors, get in there. When you open the doors, the drawers, and you pull one out, the other side of it does not have the number on it. So, I believe this one is the number 1. So it looks the same on the back except without the number. And you can put your own goodies in there to use at a later date. So here is number 1. And this is... I'm going to turn it around. Okay. This is a concentration game. It's a memory game. And on the one side, it has little Christmas figures. And they're like mates. There's 2 of each. That is a snow globe. Yep. You shuffle them up real good. Okay, you shuffle them up real good, you lay them on the table face down, and then you try to match them up. And the one who comes up with the most matches at the end wins. It's good for mental acuity, so it's good for your brain. Okay, to try to match them up. So that is today's paper craft. Now we have 3 diamond art. This one is from Diamond Painting Creations. And number 1 is down here in the bottom. This reminds me of the setup of last year's boxes from 2 different companies. But the colors are different this year. This comes in with a little red and green like crinkle paper, and it is a cover minder. Let me bring you in to show you. It's a dinosaur cover minder with a little hat on it. Isn't that cute? Very cute. Very cute. I'm eager to see what else this one has for us. I'm going to put that in backwards. All right. Tie it back up again. All right. Oops, I'm going to put Diamond Painting Creations in here because knowing me, I am going to forget where it comes from if I do not. This is from the UK. It's called Add More Zest. And it came in a box of little baggies. And they're all diamond painting related. And this one is a bookmark. Now I've had this bookmark before, but it's beautiful. I love the gems on this one. And it's got a big tassel on the end of it. It's beautiful. So I'm happy for that one. And the last one I want to open today is Diamond Painting Deutschland. Now each of these baggies have little donks on them, and it says you're supposed to unfold. Here, I translated the German for you. It says, "Dear Advent Calendar Owner, within is your Advent calendar in all its glory. To create it, there is still a small step to take. You fold the bottom of the individual bags straight so that they can all upright stand together. Now, together all 24 bags can be set up. Have fun with your Advent calendar and a Merry Christmas wish to you. Blumex team." Okay. There you go. Mine don't exactly set up, but then I don't need them to. So, and I am told by someone, Gemma, who opened her entire kit to show you already, that there's a lot of kits within it. Let me show you what this one is. She says there's going to be more to do that's going to last you till next Christmas. With that and the other ones, I have no doubt. These are snowman magnets. I like to see them on magnets instead of like ornaments, or that way you can make them for gifts. They're on a black magnet. They could have been on a white magnet maybe, on a white background, but they're snowmen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cutie snowmen. Aren't they neat? So, I like that. I'll either make these myself or I will share them with the kids at the Boys and Girls Club that I work with every day for the homework helpers. I'll share that with them in January when it is snowing. Alright, so these are the introduction to the 5 Advent calendars that I will be opening this year every day. I hope you can join me for all the fun and the joy. Remember to be with us on our lives on Tuesday night at 9 p.m. I'm taking the last Tuesday night of the month off. That'll be a week off for me. I will have the Christmas premiere up by December 15th, or you can view it during the round robin time, Christmas Eve to Boxing Day. Let's see what else. And don't forget, we have a January challenge coming up for new beginnings. join us on Tuesday nights and on our Facebook group to find out all about what's going on in January. All right, see you later, divas. Bye.